Hello you guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about what has been going on with bug out there with the newer updates that has been released with iOS 17.6.1 re-release, iOS 18 public beta 5, and iOS 18.1 beta 2, which I'm currently running right now on my iPhone 15 Pro Max. So there's a couple characters make the device crash, so I will show you those in just a moment. But we haven't seen anything like this for a very long time. Hopefully I do manage to get it here on camera, but we haven't seen a bug like this in a very long time. With the last previous updates, we've had some crashes, some bug issues currently with the newer update. So this bug you could find in Spotlight Search or in the app library. So if we go to our app library and if we tap on the search quote and then colon, and then a fourth character, it will crash the device. So if we hit 4, doesn't look like I have that bug that has been going out. Doesn't look like it's crashing here for me. So let's actually try something else. So quote, colon, number, see how that little bug right there. So now let's try it in our app library. Quote, colon, 4. So it doesn't do it in the app library. Let me just make sure I do it one more time. Quote, colon, number 6. Okay. So it doesn't do it in the app library. Let's try it one more time from the search. Quote, colon, number 6, and see how that weird bounce character. Oh, it could be any character really. So it doesn't show the black screen with the loading circle on my end when I put in those characters. Normally, sometimes when I'm using the phone as normal, it does shut off and show that loading circle sometimes. So this bug glitch also is repeatable in the settings. So if we go to our settings here and we swipe down, hit search, and then quote, colon, 4, it just automatically closes the app. So if we do it one more time, quote, colon, it could be a different number, it just crashes the app completely. So it looks like it's maybe doing it on the whole system. Let's do a different number. Yeah, it just crashes the app. So just for example, let's try it here in Safari. So if we type in quote, colon, number 4, or it could be any number, doesn't look like it's affecting Safari. No, so it doesn't affect messages at all. It just in the notes, Spotlight Search, and the app library. Well, for me, the app library is working fine, but Spotlight Search, it's not. It's just bouncing and restarting over again. Same in settings, you just type in that code and it just crashes the app. So currently right now with this weird bug glitch or crash, it's not causing any security issues right now. It's just that bug glitch if you input those 4 characters in. But they do need to fix it, and they are currently working on iOS 17.6.2. Hopefully next week we'll be seeing iOS 18 beta 8 and iOS 18.1 beta 3 next week. So by then they should be patching that glitch. So besides that weird glitch that it has been going out, everything else is working fine. Performance, battery life is absolutely amazing still on the iPhone. There's no bugs or glitches or kind of buffering between different apps or scrolling between Safari and everything like that. The performance is absolutely amazing still. Like I said, battery life is lasting a whole day for me personally. This is my personal phone, so I use it. Right now I'm currently at 61%. Let's see if we go to our battery here, battery health. I'm currently at 89% at 313 cycles. So it's still pretty good. It's still running fine. But I do have a recommendation. If you are out and about and running out of battery, you want to keep your iPhone and other devices charged and you're running low. So this is the Anker ultra fast charging portable power bank, which charge rapidly your iPhone, your laptop, or any other device that is supported. This is a 9600 milliamp power bank that doubles as a wall charger, complete with a charging cable for added convenience, compact yet powerful, less than a pound as well. This ultra compact power bank is easily fits in your pocket or in your bag, anywhere with you on the go. The 1.3-inch smart LCD display keeps you informed with real-time battery levels and power output as well. What's included in this box is the 65 watt Fusion power bank, USB Type-C, 2 USB-C cable, a 3.3 100 watt braided travel pouch as well. So let's dive right in here real quick and let's take a look what this comes with. So this is what you'll get in the box: a 65 watt 9600 milliamp portable battery bank. So it comes in this nice display. So this is the battery bank itself. Very nice, lightweight. It's not too heavy as I thought it'd be. Very cool color. I do like the design. Very cool display. So it's not too heavy as I thought it'd be. It looked a little bit heavier. Let's put this to the side here real quick. So this is power bank. So this actually plugs into your wall and charges off the battery bank. That's pretty cool to hear. Let's power it up. And as you can see, actually here on the side, 2 USB-C ports for both different devices. So you could charge your iPhone here or your laptop that I have right next to me here. We'll take a look and see how that works. And so let's power this up. So currently at 24% battery on this device. So that's what's showing off there. Battery health information. So battery health is at 100%. Battery cycle at 0. And it looks like the temperature of the device itself is showing at 22 and 71 Fahrenheit. So if we click this again, kind of goes back and forth between the percentage. And if we press and hold screen off time, we could select press twice to switch. Press to exit. Okay, let's put this to the side for now. Let's take a look what we get in the box. Safety guide, and let's take a look. It looks like we do have a strap that's already on the device. We have the USB cable. So this is our USB Type-C braided cable, which comes in a nice wrapped anchor strap there. And this is our traveling pouch here. We'll pull this right out. Perfect. I would put this. So it's a very nice, soft cloth. Wow, that's actually very soft and nice. This is your traveling pouch. So everything kind of fits right into the pouch here. So if we put in the anchor device, push that in there. Also the braided cable, and kind of closes. And this is a very nice cloth. Actually, I loved it a lot. You could store everything with there, put it in your travel bag, your pocket, your backpack, and just take it out. Very easy and simple. Just leave everything in there or just take everything out. So let's put that back in its pouch, put this on the side, and let's take a look how this charges our devices. So I want to bring my iPhone and my laptop. I want to raise the volume of the laptop so you could hear the charge. So let's bring this over, plug this in, and look, oh, it's charging the laptop. So that's pretty cool. It's at 24% still. And it does show you how much watts is going out currently to the device. So it's at 16, 20, 22. So currently on my laptop over here, I'm at 91%. While this is plugged in, I'm gonna plug in my iPhone so we could take a look and see how many wattages kind of shoots out for both devices. So right now it's currently at 35.1 watts. And so if we plug in our iPhone, there we go. Now it's plugged in, it's charging. So let's take a look what both devices are outputting right now. 20 for the laptop, 12 for the iPhone, 25, 12. So it's going up. And as you can see, we're currently still at 20%. The laptop just went up to 91%. I'm currently at 60% from recording this video. And so that's pretty cool. This is absolutely amazing. And it's so incredible to have this and plug it anywhere on the go. Okay, so that's absolutely amazing. I do highly recommend getting this product. I will link the product down below in the description. Like I said, this is a absolutely game changer, especially for me. I do travel a lot and I do other work besides YouTube. This is actually going to change my life when I'm on the go. Take it with me anywhere, in the hotel, on the go. Like I said, I could charge 2 different devices and is absolutely incredible. So that's pretty much it, you guys. That is all for this video. I kind of wanted to go over the bug that just came out from that little 4 characters that you do in the search. Sometimes it actually will reboot itself when you're randomly using the iPhone. I've had that also happen to me without even clicking in the 4 characters. It just reboots and just drops and resets itself. The only way that's working is typing in those 4 characters, or it just kind of reboots randomly out of nowhere. I've had that happen to me many times throughout the day. I just can't replicate it. Like I said, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did enjoy this video, tap the like down below. Subscribe if you haven't yet already. And I will leave a link to this wallpaper down below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.